What if you could create a full 3D AI cartoon video with consistent characters, cinematic quality, and pay absolutely nothing? Yes, no animation skills, no expensive software, and no complicated setup. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create professional 3D AI cartoon videos using only free AI tools, fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. By the end, you'll know the exact master prompt system I use to generate high-quality scenes and keep characters consistent across your entire story. So if you've ever wanted to make animated content for YouTube, storytelling, or faceless channels, you're in the right place. But before we move to the next step, first I want to show you the result we created in this video.
Nice day for adventure!
Every day is. That thing just blinked.
Someone needs help. Good deed number 1. Let's go! Right behind you! The light's protecting us! Everyone deserves a hand.
Rabbit, guide them from the right. I'll lead.
On it! The planks look steady. We're right behind you.
Good, let's go.
Why help everyone? Because someday we'll need help too.
I have to keep going. Almost there!
What if helping never ends? That's okay.
Look at everyone!
They're so happy!
This is the best!
Kindness is a light that grows brighter when shared.
So welcome to AI Agent Studio. Here we explore the world of AI agent and automation projects, tools, resource for all things AI and AI agents. So subscribe now, it's free, and click the bell icon for latest AI updates. Let's start today's video.
Step 1. Create the script using ChatGPT. Okay, let's start with Step 1. Creating the script using ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT and open a new chat tab. Then copy and paste the master prompt to create your story. This master prompt is available in the description, so you can easily copy and use it. After you paste the prompt, ChatGPT will process it and generate a complete story automatically. As you can see here, the title of the story is The Helpful Lantern, and it's written as a 3D cartoon animation story. Now scroll down and you'll find the main character prompts. In this example, we are using 2 characters, Gojo Adventurer and Bugs Bunny. ChatGPT has written a full 15-minute story for us. Next, move to the scene-by-scene visuals of the story. Here is Scene 1, The Quiet Valley. You can see that each scene includes 2 important prompts, an image prompt and an image-to-video prompt. Then we have Scene 2, Discovery of the Lantern, which also includes both image and video prompts. After that comes Scene 3, The First Glow, along with its prompts. In the same way, Scene 4 and all the remaining scenes are fully prepared. And finally, the last scene is Scene 15, Final Message. So now ChatGPT has created the complete video script for us. Based on this script, the next step is to create images for each scene. Let's move to the next step and start creating our story images. Step 2. Create character images. Text to image. Now let's move to Step 2. Creating images using our prompts. For image generation, we'll use Whisk AI. All the links related to this video are available in the description, so make sure to check them out. First, we need to generate the character images of our story. These images will be used as reference images, which helps us keep the characters consistent throughout the entire story. Let's start with our first character, Gojo Adventurer. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the character prompt. Then open Whisk AI and paste the prompt there. Next, set the aspect ratio. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. And here we go, the character image is ready. You can see the image looks crystal clear and very detailed. If you are happy with the result, download the image using the download button at the top right corner. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the second character prompt, Bugs Bunny. Again, return to Whisk AI. paste the prompt, set the aspect ratio and click generate. Wait a few seconds. And the image will be created. As you can see, this image also has great texture and quality. You can download whichever version of the image you like the most. Now let's create our scene-by-scene images. First, go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 1 image prompt. Then return to Whisk AI before pasting the prompt. Upload both character images in the image reference section. This step is very important because it helps keep the characters consistent in every scene. After uploading the character images, paste the scene prompt, set the aspect ratio and click generate. Wait a few seconds and your scene image will be ready. As you can see, both characters appear in the same image. The background looks great and the quality is very clear. Choose the version you like the most and download the image. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 2 image prompt. Follow the same steps. Return to Whisk AI, paste the prompt, generate the image and download it. Next, copy the Scene 3 image prompt, paste it into Whisk AI and generate the image. Let's fast forward this part. In the same way, generate images for all the remaining scenes of the story. Once all scene images are ready, we'll move to the next step. Step 3. Convert images into video. Now it's time for Step 3. Converting our images into videos. For video generation, we'll use Grok AI. Right now, Grok AI is not completely free, but it gives daily free credits for video generation, which is very helpful. As you can see, all our scene images are ready. Now we'll create a video for each scene. First, open Grok AI in a new tab. Then click on Imagine and you'll see an interface like this. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 1 image to video prompt. Return to Grok AI. Before uploading the image, make sure you select the result type. Here, choose Image first so you can upload your picture. This step is important. If you upload the image without setting this option, video generation may start automatically. Now upload the Scene 1 image. After uploading, you'll see the editing interface. Paste the Scene 1 video prompt, then set the video settings. Here we use video duration 6 seconds, video resolution 480p, because this option is free while higher quality is paid. After setting everything, click generate. Now the video will start processing. Wait a few seconds and your result will be ready. As you can see, the result looks amazing. Clear quality, realistic motion and no blur effect. Next, we'll upscale the video. Go to the top right corner, click the 3 dots, then select upscale. After clicking, the video will be upgraded automatically. Once the upscale is finished, go to the bottom and click download to save the video. Now let's create Scene 2. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 2 image to video prompt, then return to Grok AI. Again, set the result type, upload the Scene 2 image, paste the prompt, adjust the settings and click generate. Wait a few seconds and the video will be ready. You can see this result also looks realistic, with good quality and a nice background environment. Upscale the video and download it. Let's fast forward this process. In the same way, generate videos for all the remaining scenes. After creating all the scene videos, we'll move on to the next step. Step 4. Edit the video. Now it's time for Step 4. Editing the video. In this part, we'll edit all our scene videos together. First, open your editing software. In this video, I'm using Filmora, but you can use any free video editing software you like. Now import all the scene videos into the software. After importing, drag each scene to the timeline and arrange them according to the script order. As you can see, all the scenes are now placed correctly on the timeline. Next, increase or adjust the audio volume if needed. Now move to the transitions section and add transitions between each video clip to make the video look smooth. Once everything is done, play the video once and review the full result. After checking the final edit, it's time to export the video. Go to the top right corner and click on the export option. Set the video name, choose the folder location, adjust the export settings, and then click the export button. Wait a few seconds, and your video will be ready. And that's how you can create a complete 3D AI cartoon video for free with consistent characters and zero animation experience. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe because I share powerful AI workflows that save you time and money every week. Also, check the description for the master prompts and free tools used in this video so you can start creating right away. If you want more videos like this, comment AI video so we can make more videos like this for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.